Hello again. Welcome to Cash Flow Chronicles with the Money Maverick. And want to encourage you guys that, hey, we're in a place where we need extra income. We need multiple streams of income. And this channel is something that just helps to get the juices flowing in your mind and your creative mind on how to create extra sources of income or how to even just learn about it. Because the thing is, the best thing we could do is learn to get our feet wet, right? When it comes to learning about things, well, we'll come about when it comes about learning things, period, we need education. So guess where there's a lot of education, or at least a lot of opinions or whatever, and that's YouTube. There are many ways if you could just get on YouTube and just look, Google, whatever. There are plenty of ways to create sources of income. And we're going to look at another video today, just a brief video. I will, of course, put the link down below of the video so you can watch it in its entirety. But just want to share with you guys some of those things. And please comment below. Let me know what you guys think about this. Do you think it's something that's legit? Do you think it's something that you would even try to do or you would never try to do? And I'm going to show it. It's a video from a man named Doug Andrew. And the thing that got me interested in him, one thing he's going to be talking about in this video is how to become your own bank. Who wouldn't want to do that, right? But he uses a vehicle and he teaches it about it on his channel. He has tons of videos. So I'm just going to just look at this one video just from the beginning or whatever. But he uses insurance, life insurance as a vehicle. And the reason why that drew me to him is because I had a similar situation where I needed to use money from my insurance to pay something, not just because we all know that life insurance is that when you die, your family gets the insurance money, right? So if you've got a $500,000 policy, $100,000 policy, whatever it is, once you die, your family gets that money. So that's how traditionally we think about life insurance. But I had an incident, and I do recount those events in my book, which I'm going to also link. It's called Money Mindset Mastery. And like I said, it's just something to get your mind going on how to think about getting extra streams of income. So I talk about that, how I had to use money for my life insurance policy to use, which I did not have to pay back. Right? That was tax-free money that I got from my insurance policy that I don't have to pay back. Now I'm still paying my premiums. So the money that I did get, you know, when you pay your premium, it builds that back up. But let's say I died before I finished paying it, I still have the policy. So what happens is if I borrow $5,000, whatever my settlement would be for my family would be $5,000 less than what the benefit was or whatever. So let's say I had a $500,000 life insurance, right? So if I died and I didn't pay that $5,000 back, it would just be $495,000 instead of the $500,000. So that's how that works. But this guy actually teaches a similar strategy, but he teaches, more in depth. He's an expert in this. He's been doing it for years. But let's just watch some of this video so you guys can get an idea of what he's talking about, and hopefully when I started it won't go, it looked like
the fifth
okay, here we go.
Of 5 ways to stack up an extra $1 million. In this episode, I'm going to address how to become your own banker to make 100% returns. Get ready, it's gonna blow you away.
Pretty quick.
So my name's Doug Andrew, and I've been helping people optimize assets and minimize taxes, prepare for a comfortable retirement so they will not outlive their money now for more than 48 years. But in this episode, get ready, because I'm going to give you a sneak preview right now. I'm going to talk about how to become your own banker and do what banks do to make 100% rates of return up to 500% rates of return.
I'm just going to pause right there, because if you understand how banks work, a bank will take your money that you have in savings or checking, or they will take your money, use that money to to loan it out, right? They loan it out. They loan your money out to people, right? And they get the interest on your money. So the money that you have in the bank takes it, loans it to other people, and when the people pay them back, they pay them at a whatever certain interest rate. So the bank gets that money, gets that return of interest from your money, right? But they only give you a small interest for having your money in savings. So whether you think that's fair or not, I don't think it's fair or whatever, but guess what? There's some stuff you can do to counteract that. But that's pretty much how banks work. So that's what he's talking about. So let's look at a little bit more.
Yep. And then my favorite instrument, which I call the laser fund, and how that can predictably double your money probably every 7.5 years based upon my actual history of using this instrument ever since 1980. And as you do that, I'm going to show you a concept of safe positive leverage, which is the ability to own and control assets with very little or none of your money tied up at risk in that asset. Leverage without liquidity is stupidity, and I'm going to explain that to you. And then by doing this, you'll be able to do what banks do. Borrow even your own money at a lower rate and continue to earn 100% or more on that money that you borrow, and you use it for your business, but you will accumulate millions, not just 1 million. You do this for 15, 20, 30 years, and you will end up, like many of my clients, with over 10 million extra dollars by learning how to become your own banker. So let's start with the milk, and then we'll get to the meat. What do banks and credit unions do? What does the multi-trillion-dollar insurance industry do? They're the backbone of America, by the way. If you're not aware, in the Great Depression, there was a lot of really...
So let them tell that. But like I said, the video is going to be linked below. Comment on the video. Comment on this video. Let me know what you guys think about that. Like I said, I didn't watch the whole video, but he explains it. I mean, he has tons and tons of video about how to use leverage and how to become your own bank, what to do to, it's just tons of stuff. Like I said, there's information everywhere. And the thing is, because YouTube is a place where people come watch, people have things to sell. Yes. People have things to show, people have things to tell, but it's all in there. Once you get a subject that you can look at and say, you know what, I'm kind of interested in that, you'll learn a whole lot. So he's teaching a concept, basically how to become your own bank, how to fund your businesses, how to set up for retirement, how to, of course, set up your life insurance, because he uses the universal life insurance, I believe the index universal life insurance, if you have that. Because a lot of times we're taught about term life insurance and whole life insurance. We know those two, but there are other types of life insurance. So that's the thing. The guy has tons of stuff. So like I said, I'll link his video. Put the link to his video down below in the description. So please watch that. Get back here and tell me what you guys thought of it. Thank you for watching my video. And guess what? I put enough stuff down here. And like I said, I have the link to my book as well, my ebook. I also have a printed copy, but I put both links up, whatever. So what are your thoughts on this becoming your own bank? Because hopefully you've watched this video and watched the video that I linked and came back and posted and let me know. I just want to know your thoughts. What are you doing to get other streams of income? What are you doing to get other streams of income? Let me know. And like I said, the ball is in your court, and I thank you guys so much for watching, and please come back. Thanks.